Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check it out. We're on Highway 95. We're dropping south out of Fallon, Nevada. We just crossed the great state of Nevada on the loneliest road in America. Look at this lake. I mean, we are out in the middle of nothing. Desert. It's called Walker Lake. And look how pretty it is. Just nestled in here along the mountains. Tamarak Beach. I'm pretty sure you can disperse camp, dry camp, and I think they have another campground. I checked it on the phone. We're gonna stop up here at Sportsman Beach, I think it is. But isn't this pretty? This is gorgeous in here. And heading south, heading down, going to cut through Vegas and head on home. Hard to believe, fall's in the air, temperatures are cooling down, days are getting shorter. That Sportsman Beach should be up here pretty close. Here it is, and it is empty. Look at that, not a soul here. You know, this area would be perfect for springtime, fall. They get snow here. I mean, we're we're up there. There it is, Sportsman Beach Campground. Get parked down here. This is a huge lake. You know, we're close to Hawthorne, which is Army Depot storage. We'll be driving through there when we leave here. Good old Nevada. They got military everything around here. Yeah, I'm the only one here to look at it. Okay, let's check her out. Even though it's on a busy highway, I'd stay here. Heck yeah. Look at that view. So you'd really get some sunrise photos here. So that's looking off towards the east. Wonder, I don't know about water level. Everything's dropped here in the last few years. This has probably too. But for dispersed camping, they said that Tamarak Beach, you can disperse camp right on the shoreline. I think this one's fee-based. Can't be much. Now there's a look at the mountains. Yeah, I'd say the only drawback would be traffic noise. You'd probably get used to it. I bet there's been a lot of mining and all kinds of stuff going on up in there. You can see some roads, dirt trails. Probably be great for off-roading too. And that's the direction we just came down from. Walker Lake in the middle of Nevada. I'll drive through the campground on the way out. Look how calm that water is. There's a boat launch. Probably good fishing here. This is Bureau of Land Management, BLM. Looks like vaulted toilets. Picnic tables. They got a wind shield on them. Shields the wind. I'm sure it does blow here. But what a place to come fish. Had a little kayak, canoe, maybe power boats. But there's absolutely no one here. That's amazing. Here's your best campsite down here. Got the view at the end. Well, glad I'm stopped. I wasn't sure what I was going to film heading back home here, but this is a good one. This is one to put in the books. Definitely one to come back to and stay. At least for a night. Back on 95. It's kind of hard to film this road. It's pretty fast paced and there is a lot of traffic. Continuous. But the color difference, the blue water against the reddish mountains and dirt and boulders. Definitely a photographer's dream. You could take pictures for a month up here and never get tired of it. More RVs, but you can see the pace of this road. It's fast. Keep seeing a ton of these rental RVs, Class C's. They're everywhere. Well, that Cruise America, they got a big facility up in Vegas. Okay, slowing down here. Speed's getting reduced. Still part of, there's Walker Lake yet. Looks like some homes. Maybe a restaurant. Yep. What a view these guys have, huh? I bet you'd have great stargazing up here at night. Over the lake, mountains. It's pretty popular anymore. All right, to Hawthorne we go. And the lake is gone. Now this place, I drove through here a lot of years ago. And it's one big U.S. Army depot. They got underground bunkers everywhere. This is hardcore military storage. Probably don't even want to know what they have here. All these bases around here, they've been here a long, long time. I better grab some fuel while I'm here. You know, all these towns are far apart. Keep your tank full when you drive through these places. Here we are. Welcome to Hawthorne, Nevada. Dollar General, big flag flying. Cool. There's a sign for Hawthorne and a Yuck-Donald's, of course. This looks like downtown. Aha! Fuel. Stop here, grab some fuel. Oh wow, look at the cannon sitting there. Huh. Well, what else are you gonna have on the streets at an Army Depot base? Missiles. Tanks and cannons. There you go. There's your yard art. Oh, cool. All right, back on 95. They gotta have a casino here too. It's Nevada. Oh, some old buildings. Look, they're all like Quonset huts. Another big tank. That place ain't open yet. Missiles. All kinds of goodies. Few stores. Couple gift shops. Yeah, look at the style of the buildings. Those are dated way back. Probably a few restaurants. Where's the casino? They gotta have one here. One or two. Hey, a saloon. Liquor store. I like the stars up there, stars and stripes. I like the color theme here. Very patriotic. Here it is. El Capitan. There's your casino. Casino and lounge. Good old Nevada. Love it. Better pay attention here. We gotta stay on 95. So I don't want to end up in California. '76 station. Tons of trucks. This is definitely a trucker route. Think of all the servicemen that's been stationed here. My goodness. As far back. This is an old time Army depot. Has to go back to like World War II, I bet. Or farther, who knows. There's a motel. And just like that, that's it. Right back to desert. Look off to the left, all the buildings, and they got a lot of storage underground. I remember reading about this a few years back. I mean, it's massive. Just a massive area of storage. Ammunition, just everything. Keeping it underground probably keeps it cooler. You see a lot of vent pipes coming up. I know the camera can't pick it up too good. Now there's a place you don't want to take your four-wheeler. They might come and say something to you. Well, there's no services for a lot of miles. Once again, make sure if you drive through here, fill up your fuel tank. There's a big rest area there on the left. Little community. And right back out in the desert. Well, that's cool. I really enjoyed that Walker Lake, checking that out. I will definitely keep that in mind. I would love to come back up through here probably next spring. You got Carson City, you got Reno, you got all kinds of history up here. Be a good, fun little trip. Journey continues. Talk soon.